Welcome to our YouTube video on reaming. I'm your assistant, here to provide a clear and concise explanation of what reaming is in manufacturing engineering. Shortly, what is the definition? Reaming is a machining process used to slightly enlarge and finish a previously drilled hole to achieve high accuracy, smoothness, and precise diameter. Think of reaming like using a fine brush after painting. It smooths and perfects the work, making sure the final result is neat and accurate. So, why is reaming so important? Because it ensures holes meet exact tolerances, improves surface finish, and provides the precision needed for parts like engine components, bearings, and fittings. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos. Get more at www.suppliersplatform.com.